Sorry I'm a little late. We had to go for a work meeting at the beach. So now I'm doing my live video. And those were the builders, and we're going to talk to them later. So today we finally got the windows finished. This is Bobby's house. We got Bobby's bedroom finished, which is great. This wall right here is temporary. We've got some steel bracing coming in, and her stairs are going to go up the back, matching the angle of the wall. I got more of the wiring done, so we got ceiling fans, and we're almost done there with the wiring. We also got the back wall in, the back door in, right here, which is a vinyl back door. It's going to open in. The plumber came. We started talking about Califont, which is a on-demand propane, right there. Outdoor shower on Bobby's as well. The back wall got done yesterday. Roses, finally the roof arrived, which is awesome. And the most awesome thing about that is that it fit. As the person who did the drawings for this one, there was a small amount of stress involved, just with the radiuses, and we weren't getting a lot of cooperation from the roofing company. But our roof profile here does perfectly match the profile of the rafters that were pre-bent in here. So that was a win. Metal goes in really quickly, so we got all of this siding done. We've got a split siding. Above here we've got the cryptomeria coming in, probably starting tomorrow, now that we've got this house wrapped. Yeah, back here it's going to go a little higher because again we've got a Califont on one side. Well, no, actually a Califont and a shower coming in. On the inside here we didn't have too much happening, but we did almost finish the ceiling, which is looking really sweet. We went down and cut, Rosa went and cut Manuka, which is going to become the support for here. Aaron's done this live edge brace here for our loft. You notice that the rafters here for the loft, or these pieces here, are really small. We're really trying to maximize our height on that. So it is a little bit bouncy, but each layer, each extra membrane that we put on is making it stronger. There was a comment the other day about the cost of everything. So I made some inquiries with Rosa and Bobby. Rosa's roof and all of her metal and flashing and everything was about $6,000. So she's got metal on the underside of her tiny house, and then these custom curved rafters, curved flashing. Bobby's was $3,000, I think. So one whole back wall of just regular roofing material, and then a roof. Even though it's twice as much, it was half as much compared to Rosa's, because Rosa's is curved, and so there's all kinds of customization with that. Bobby's steel framing was $4,000, and that all came pre-built, the whole thing, which seems a really good deal actually. The cost of Rosa's, just her framing material, was around about $1,000, I'm guessing, but we did have to build it all. Bobby's came all pre-built. And the difference between the metal and the wood is that all of that metal had to get extra wood attached to it, so that then we can attach our siding and whatnot. Whereas Rosa's, we can just go straight on. So I'd say the steel stud framing is a little bit more expensive as opposed to the wood. and we have to add a little bit more to it. The huge advantage with the steel stud is that it's light, and in New Zealand that's a big deal. So it's quite cost effective to do the steel in the raw materials and the delivery of pre-built frames. It's just the process after that and the materials that you have to add to it in order to create a tiny house that doesn't feel like it's a steel stud frame. Apart from that, what do we got? The windows were similar price. Bobby's windows are vinyl, and they've got these big beautiful sills that come right into the building. So all of her windows have got these big platforms on the inside like shelves, and they were around about $600 each, different sizes and stuff. Rose's were a little bit less than that, and hers are all reclaimed, mostly from Trade Me, which is the same as Craigslist in New Zealand, and they're pure wood cedar windows. So Bobby got brand new vinyl windows for a little bit more than the cost of Rose's reclaimed cedar windows. So really it's apples for oranges as far as the windows go. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm sorry for being a little bit late. I hope you enjoyed the start of the video. Bit of Bohemian Rhapsody. And that's it. We're cruising along. It's super awesome to get the siding started. Bobby's siding's going to start tomorrow. We've got a couple of days left. We'll probably have a chat with Bryce tomorrow from Living Big in a Tiny House. He'll be in to do some talks and check in, and everything is great. Thanks for watching.